Hola, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Today I'm bringing you a messy hair tutorial, something like this. If you want to see how I style it and you want to learn to do it yourself, just keep on watching. So let's get started with this messy French braid tutorial. I'm gonna grab a little bit of Rizos Curls Curl Defining Cream. I just want it as like a little bit of a leave-in conditioner, just like a little bit. Put it all over my hair like so. Just super easy. My hair is already parted, so we're gonna leave this part this way. We'll deal with that later. So maybe I'm gonna grab about that much and I'm just gonna brush it forward just a little bit like so. And remember, this doesn't have to be perfect. It's a messy braid. So I'm going to grab a little bit of hairspray, like so. And then I'm going to start off with this portion right here. Grab 3 strands and go like so. And I'm just going to start grabbing strands as I go. Every time I flip it, I'm grabbing some. Like that. I'm going to keep going. Like that. Keep grabbing. Ow, I just ripped my earring off. That hurts so bad. It's okay. I'll put it back on later. Casi me arranqué la puta oreja. Like that. Keep going. But make sure you're grabbing down. And like this, and I'm slowly gonna start flipping it around my ear like that. Grab. So I'm just gonna grab like this, and it's okay if it looks flat. Do a little bit of hairspray, and we're gonna do the same thing. I messed up right here, but I don't care. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, and I'm just gonna braid down. I'm not gonna try to do it too tight. Like so. I'm just trying to pull all the hair so it's like nothing left, because I'm just gonna tie it all back. So I don't want like strands of hair just hanging out in the back of my head. I think this is the end of it. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect again. I did a little purple orange eyeshadow today. I'm just going to grab it with this. But before I tie it, I'm going to start loosening the braid like this, because I want it to be messy, remember? I gotta be careful with the front ones because I didn't do it that great in the front, but it's okay. Just gonna open them up like this, like that, so it could be kind of up. So I'm gonna use a hair tie, and then I'm gonna take these two. I'm just gonna wrap them around. It's tied up. Just gonna go like this here, and then I'm gonna loosen it up a little bit more, especially down here. You want to pull it there, spray it a little bit. I like this to be a little bit open, so I just leave it like that. Usually the braid's supposed to start from right here, but my hair is really straight right now, so usually when it's dirty and curly I could get a better braid, but actually it's not that bad. It turned into like a little flip there. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more hairspray so it can stay right there. Like I want it to be kind of like curvy, and the rest is like a braid. So now I'm gonna just do my baby hairs right quick. I'm gonna grab a little bit of water on my fingertips, and I'm just gonna wet the hair right here. Use my little brush just to wet them. I'm gonna grab a little bit of this Got To Be Ultra Glue Gel in Invincible, and I just need a very small amount. Like, this thing holds really good, and I'm just gonna put them on my baby hairs, like so. Let me clean it off, and then I'm just gonna comb them like this. There we go. See? I love this gel. Like, I don't even have to try too hard. It just like gets them. If you have little hair sticking out and you want to fix them, you could just grab a bobby pin and pin it down inside like that, and then no se ve. See? And this is the final look. It's super easy. It took what? Literally less than 5 minutes. And you have like a little swoop. You could wear a cute little dress. I just have this t-shirt on, but you know, you could dress it up, you could dress it down, you could put sparklier earrings. It's whatever you like, you know? It's just a good little style when you don't want to do too much, but then it looks like you tried really hard. So I hope you guys like. I actually like that I didn't do the braid all the way from here. It turned out pretty cool. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of you guys. I hope that you guys like this tutorial. Try it on your daughters, you know, on yourself, and show me pictures.